Okay guys, I'm going to show you how I made my dewdrop ink storage for the Memento. Is it Memento dewdrops? It's Tusinitsky Co. However you say that. There's the Brilliance ones, and I've got the Versa Magic ones, and the Memento, which is the dye ink ones. So I needed something that fit all of those in, and it's a funny shape, so the ones that I was finding online for the square ink pads weren't right for it, so I've done a little bit of watching different people's videos. I've seen quite a few, I'm sure you'll be able to find them on YouTube, and I had a little fidget with the sizes and shapes and all that, and this is what I come up with. So it's going to be 9 levels high with two like pockets per side, and it'll be 72 boxes in total. It's quite a lot of making. It took a couple of days really for me, but I don't know, you could probably do it in one day. Now you need the boxes, 72 boxes, which they're like this. In full it's 5.5 by 2.25, and you got 5.5 by 2.25, and then you score at 1.5, 2.75, and 4.25, to get the right dimensions. So as your box can fold like this. Oops. And then you'll use a bracket, which is this is 2.25 by 1 inch, and then scored down the middle with double-sided sticky tape on either side to hold them together like so. Let's do that a bit better so you can see what I mean, like that. And we also decorate the inside bottoms with these. Now when I made my first one, I doubled up the card for it by gluing 2 sheets of card together to try and make it as thick as possible. Now I don't think I needed to at all, so it's up to you. If you want to double it up, but I think I wasted my time and a lot of card doing so. Okay, so I managed to get all the pieces of chipboard I need out of 2 A4 pieces. Now in America you might need to get something slightly different, I'm not sure. I know that your paper sizes are different from ours. I made for the base, I've got a 6 by 6 square board, and for the top it's 5.5 by 5.5. Then I've got one of the panels, it's 2.25 by 11.75, and I needed 4 of them in total for 4 sides. So there's the other 3, and then for the top of around the top, I've got 4 by 3/4 of an inch, 4 times 3/4 of an inch by 5 inches, and that's to make up a little shelf on the top. So that's really great value that we didn't waste too much board, because you know, don't like to waste. Obviously I cut out all these pieces and I covered them with decorative paper. Used bits like this, and I will show you as I've put them all together. So I've got that all along there. Gonna stick some. Now I've got my Aleene's tacky glue, and we are going to start building up onto my 6x6 inch chipboard covered with a nice decorative paper. And these boxes that we have made, we are gonna build together onto this chipboard. I need to just work out how they are gonna sit. So it'll be like this. It's going to be like that. There will be this section in the middle. I know that looks messy, but you know, can't remember. That big one. It's about 1 centimetre out. Hang on. So if I set this like this, I can see sort of roughly where a centimetre in is. Hopefully that's the plan. Okay. Now I want to make sure that I've got this on the bottom so as it can be seen. And all I can do is start piling them on. Right, for a start I want to go like that, but I also want to press these into place a little bit on both edges. So I'm just putting this just a bit against the edge. Right, the next one will stabilise it a bit better. Right, now I need to cut out for the bottom to hold the turntable on a 5 by, well, I'm going to go with 5 by 5 inch, I think that'll do it, of this sticky back magnet. And this will go on the bottom, so we just take the sticky back off, sit it on there firmly, and we'll go on the bottom there. And then I just stand that up for a little while with that on top, and that should hold that nicely. And then we'll add the turntable. Okay, and then finally we have this turntable that we add onto the magnetic base, like so. And you can lift it up, and it spins around both ways. And obviously I put my ink pads in there, Memento ink pads, or the Dewdrop ink pads in general, fit into these holes perfectly. But I also find that these do as well. I'm very happy with it, and I thought I'd share with you how I made it. Feel free to make it yourself. Give me a shout, let me know, and I'll have a look. Ta-da! Thanks for joining me, guys. Much love. Breathe easy, folks. I'll see you again soon. Bye.